Hi all, in this video we will see how to configure employee wise weekly offs. For example, if each employee has a different weekly off, you can configure the same using manage week offs. For that you have to go to employees, then you have to go to more. Under more, again you have to click on employees. Under leave management, you have to go to manage week offs. Here you have to choose for which employee you want to configure the weekly off, and for the entire year, if the weekly off is same, then you can check this yearly and then configure that particular week offs, and then you have to apply. If each month, if it differs, you can select a particular month, and on this particular month which day is the weekly off, that you can select and apply. Like this you can configure employee wise, or if you have department wise or branch wise, you can select the filters here. You have to click on view. For all the employees under that location, if it is same weekly off, you can configure the same. You can enable and then you have to click on apply. Like this you can configure. If it is each monthly, if the weekly off is same, you can configure this way. In each month also, if every week if the weekly off differs, then you have an import option. You can go to this import weekly off. Have to select month, which month you want to configure the weekly off. Then you have to generate a template. Here, whichever employees you want to define weekly off, those employees you can keep in the Excel sheet. Okay, you can define the weekly off employee wise. If it every week if it differs, or whichever day is a weekly off for the entire month, you have to enter W. Like this you have to enter which are all days in that particular month as a weekly off, that you have to enter for all the employees. Then you have to save this Excel file. Have to save this Excel file. Same Excel file you have to browse. Then you have to import. For the particular month, whatever the weekly offs you have updated, this will be applicable for this employees. And for the remaining employees, whatever the company level weekly offs been configured under holidays weekly offs, that will be applicable. Like this, if you have employee wise different weekly offs, you can configure the same under this manage week offs. This manage week offs. Can configure employee wise or using this filters, either yearly or month wise. If you want date wise, then you have to go for this import weekly off. Thank you for watching this video.